Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we will fix the error, Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe in Windows 11. If you are trying to open or install an app and Windows keeps blocking it, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type Registry Editor, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control prompt, click Yes to continue. Now the Registry Editor will open. Here, follow the path carefully. First, click on HKey Local Machine. Then click on System. After that, click on Current Control Set. Now click on Control. Next, scroll down and find the folder CI, then expand it. After that, click on Policy. Now on the right-hand side, look for the option called Verified and Reputable Policy State. Double-click on it. A small box will open. Here, change the value data from 2 to 1, then click on OK. This change will modify how Smart App Control behaves and reduce unnecessary blocking. Now close the Registry Editor. Next, click on the search bar again and type Smart App Control, then open it. This will take you to the App and Browser Control settings. Here you will see Smart App Control options like On and Evaluation. If you want maximum protection, you can keep it on, which will block untrusted apps. But if you are testing apps or facing frequent blocking issues, you can switch it to Evaluation mode. Evaluation mode allows Windows to monitor behavior before fully blocking apps. Choose the option based on your needs, then close the settings. After applying these changes, try opening your app again. In most cases, the issue will now be resolved. If the app is still blocked, make sure the app source is trusted before allowing it. So this is how you can fix the Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe error in Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.